In a goat and cow. 357 chrome and brown, one die fans.
Question daddy when you come in at this body boy, you to go back to your
Puma, you don't know they don't represent for Smady TV Entertainment. You know what you say, get the latest and the greatest updates them. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend for tell a friend for tell a friend. Stay updated, cause Smady TV are going with great things though. One time, grow.
Yeah, invest in a rifle and one bag of binds. It still a name never yet caught.
Wagwan viewers and subscribers from your ear device. I know it's a boy Smady TV Entertainment, you know. I know it's been a while, it's been a minute, you know, haven't hear my voice, you know, haven't seen me drop a review. But you don't know, say we there, I go and do it and I seek for greatness, you know. I mean, I say, yo, I realize that Malie and Chronicler out for shoot off a war, you know, a lyrical clash, you know. I mean, I say, I take a part of this, you know. I say, yo, the first song when I hear from the artist Malie entitled Mr. Switchy Switchy. I say a big thing he must say another song here towards Chronicler. Everybody can know say a Chronicler must say towards. You see pre, I don't know say Shop Dan said we, cause I don't know from Chronicler they go do music with Shop Dan, you know say this way hell broke loose. You don't know. I say yo, a big thing the artists are saying that this viewers and subscriber. But we don't know say yo Malie can't turn up to Chronicler no time. He could have 100 help back him. We know that already. Remember say a little bombard. YG kill him off in a man. You see me? Pablo YG no man. Everybody know that go already, you know. So how you go run up to one of legend them in a lyrical clash? So right now, viewers and subscriber, me I go play Chronicler one, you know, but me have to earphone now. You see me? Point of view on this, cause right now me I listening to a big thing he must say towards the artist and they don't even know what time it is. You see it? But you don't know entertainment, you know, man, and that we there for, you know, I say a Smady TV Entertainment, you know, I make a little piece more artist. Don't.
Nobody feel me afraid up and land clip ram like champs if you ever grandstand.
Smady TV Entertainment now tell a artist we afraid of artist in Malie Me just make you know say yo Chronicler a create wave, you see me? And you this a come from a losing war with Pablo YG. You see me? Everybody know that. And a Smady make up that. You see pre? And look for the giant where you choose to come war with. Well, this can build you and it can make your career drop same way. So, it's a 50-50 challenge. You see, pre? And what you say in a song, Mr. Switchy Switchy, you say some things, you know. But when I listen, the song with Chronicler drop for you, Chronicler fling more 40 ball. You see me? You look like a spinner as you parried 138. A 40 ball and buffalo shooter Chronicler par with. You see me? Yeah, man. Be a hard ball. Crack off wall or something that reach skull crack. You see me? So right now, me can't tell us if it top. I mean, I go tell us if it top. You have to just go hard and done. Cause it done gone bad already. You see pre? And this I just see first song me a review. Me no review other song them yet. So you don't know. So I go hear my voice again. You see me? I build youths and we no kill youths, you know, although we are youth I want to break said way. We there go and hold it and we are say yo. I you start the war. So make sure you know run. You see me? Yes man, viewers and subscriber. What you think about that? Me will make you listen piece more and then me jump in a other artist review cause you don't know. Right now me don't know what to say now. Me just attack. You see pre on Jeds.
running your itch on the train. Me couldn't say me rich with Smady G.
Viewers and subscriber, you tell me now, the intro alone in Dead Bike, the intro alone, you see me? And that song a title Malie Chicks. You see pre? I mean I say your Chronicler does attack. You man even really sing, viewers and subscriber. La boss. You are one of the greatest, you know, man. Go and do the right thing, you know. I tell you know. Then can't tap a wave where you push. You see pre? And you don't know say a one law. Yeah. I say you go man. We not choose no side, but how it go from the beginning. You see me? And see it a come to the end right now. You see me? Them did a friend and now them are no friend. So I just say a thing go a lyrical clash. I don't know. They know each other business. So we just there listen them business. and I make it be our business to talk it. So if me I do something wrong, on make me know. Cause right now music we love and no man, you know, and you don't know the thing going on. A shop done produce this I said way. You see pre. Yeah man, and it distribute by Johnny Wonder. Yeah man, Chronicler not easy. Cause you wake up your ants nest. So right now you have to go face where ants them a shoe out. Cause ants them bite at, you know. Believe no man. You think a joke? Listen what your artist I say.
Everybody know who's switching my place and no Q-tip that are the chipping.
Everybody know who's switching our place. Me no know who's switching our place. Obviously, who no know. So right now that's why I try find out la boss. You see pre cause to me see it a music you love. A music me see you travel on, you know. So where switchy part forward in if you do a music with our next producer. You see me? Them the thing there. A bad mind in our artist industry for that they cause them thing. You see pre-cause, watch you now. You can't shelter under one basket or put everything under one basket. You see me? One umbrella can't shelter everybody. You have to spread your wings. So you bust run this a camp here, you spread your wings, go link with some other producers, some other engineers and get the thing tougher. You see pre? Yeah, I saw you go be international and out there and create more wave. I have sense artists. You're smart. And that's why you do the right thing, but them not smart. You see, pre. You come like a Malie pillar them a take, man. Make them a talk. Be a things artist. You see, pre. I one law boss and I show them that from 2018, man. I make them know say upon the hillside, man. Upon the hillside. So listen your song them from now till now. You been a show them say, oh, you're in your own zone for a long time, you know, man. You just spread your wings and make some man know, say, yo. Yeah, man. You link there, same way, you see pre, but once they turn, man, how you say, man? That's why they. And Malie, I chat bare things. So you have a right to defend yourself. So I defend yourself, artist. You don't know. I mean, I say viewers and subscribers, the artist, is a tough artist. Believe no, man. He man travel on the war already, you know, man. But two me see the travel on the die. He win still. You see me? But now, I whole heap of craft and thing, yeah, artists build from them time they till now. So right now, la boss, just go and do the right thing, man, cause you don't see say, yo, I want like a joke war this too. You see me? So right now, I go do the next review later or tomorrow or one of them days upon the other season few, cause season 1 this, you know. So viewers and subscribers, you don't know, so me kind of rusty same way, cause it's been a while me no to say nothing. So me just a talk right now as me I say. Yes man, so me I say big up on yourself, you know, remember to hit the bell icon. Drop a like, drop a comment. You see me? Go over your artists them. Talk to your artists them, make them keep it lyrically, not physically. You see, pre-cause you don't know the thing going a clash, you know, man. You have some man go pick side and you go start here some things start going and we don't want that. We just want the entertainment and that we are seek. And you don't know, see a Soji TV entertainment over here on Jeds. Madam mean.